I bet. Got my glasses. Alright guys, what's going on? It's your boy Khalif, back again with another video. Today, we're going to be talking about Week 2's online drops. Or Week 2 Supreme drops in general.
It's S Biking on YouTube.
All that talking never fazed me. Might fade to black like Jay-Z. Might pull up in a new coupe with a white girl named Daisy. Yeah, I came up from nothing, nigga, made something, nigga, it's amazing. Yeah, we going at it again.
Alright,
fucking on her and her friends. I did that shit with my mans.
Tomorrow
and this
we
shit a
got
part of the plan. Yeah, I got the fans in Japan.
drops.
Kicking shit, no Jackie Chan.
You don't got too many things,
for the land.
because
Flip it up and I watch
last week
how it
was such a
stand.
heater,
Yeah,
like
I
there
got
were
the
so
word from
much
my
items that
OG.
dropped.
Don't be talking cause niggas
So
be
many things
police. They gon'
dropped,
judge
you
me
know,
and act like they
can't
know
really
me. But I
complain.
know that these people be phony.
There's-
I was thought they left me
there's
by my
honestly so
lonely. They
many
was laughing,
items,
I
like,
never was joking.
I'm not
Dropping
really
fast
sad
in the
that
coupe
there's
when I'm
not that many
going.
items
Rolling
this
OG
week.
and Cali, I'm smoking.
But,
Yeah, I
you know,
gotta know if
whatever.
it's real. Cause all of
So
these
let's
people
get
be
right into
lying.
the items.
And I see that shit is defiance.
Alright,
And this shit is not rocket
first,
science.
we got
I answer my haters with silence.
brought to you
Cause
by
this shit could end
Drops
up in
by Jay.
violence.
First, we
These
got
niggas be talking
the
they
studded
wildin'.
arc
Get this
logo
money and
leather
go buy
jacket.
island. Mama told me she want
Hey,
all
bruh, this
Italian.
jump's
I'ma
fire.
get it in by her medallions.
If
Never
only I
change
was
up
such a
with money
broke
and
boy, I'd
wild
buy
shit.
this
Never
jump.
fold on my bros on them
But,
pilots. Swerving fast in the
as
coupe,
you
I got
know, I
mileage.
am a
Remember
broke
days when
boy,
I wish
so
I
I
was
did not.
poppin'.
So I will not
I'm
be
smoking
buying
gas in the
this.
tropics. They can try me, this
No,
shit never stop.
I will not be
You wanna
buying
know what
this
it's
at all.
like? Well, I was not taking
Damn,
advice. Nigga, I put in time
whoa.
for this life. If you try me, bro, aim with the
Wait,
pipe. Bang,
pause the
she wanna
video.
stay for the
My
night.
complexion is
I
looking
put that
nice
Henny on
right
ice.
now.
Then shawty just cut out the lights.
What?
And I know she both know we like.
Dang.
Now the actor, these niggas be spiked.
Ooh.
Get that bag and I go for a hike. If you try me, we
Alright,
putting up
alright,
fights.
back to the
Fuck
video.
nigga, we hungry like Mike. Don't fold when you hit that
So we got
light.
the studded,
Please turn when
as
you
I
make
said, the
that right.
studded arc
She's
logo
cold, her
leather
heart like
jacket.
ice. One
Jones
night
fire.
might
We
change your
got
life.
the white.
One night might
Yeah,
change
it
his
looks like
life,
a
yeah.
off-white or a clean
One night might
light
change
blue
his
and a
life,
dark
yeah.
blue with the
One
Supreme
night
on the
might
back.
change his life,
Then we got the Gucci colorway, which you know everyone's gonna be looking for that since it was on the cover of the lookbook. Then we got the straight up all black, which is straight up fire too. All of them are honestly fire. Straight heat. Next we got one of my favorites. I did talk about this in the video where I went over the lookbook. If y'all didn't see that, go watch it. I'm gonna have to put the link in the description, or maybe one of these. I don't know. You'll see the video, you'll find it, and you'll watch it. All right. The sideline script jacket, fire. Favorite one is definitely the white one. It's got that blue script on the arm. Too lit. I'm telling you, it just reminds me of those cups. Those cups. I'll throw up another picture. Those cups are fire. I just remember, you know, back in the day, the boardwalk cups. Those are just heat. All right. Next, we got the diagonal hooded look sweatshirt, $158. Oh yeah, the sideline script jacket was $238. The diagonal hooded sweatshirt, $158. The yellow one, not really a fan of. The blue one, the blue and red one with the white stripes, heat. Honestly, all of them are heat except for this yellow one. The yellow one, I don't know. The yellow one's just ugly. I'm not trying to look like some big old banana. That's just dead. Even though it says Supreme, I'll still look like a banana. Dead. So yeah, favorite one out of that one is definitely the white one. Heat. Next up, we got the color blocked half zip. Reminds me of the patchwork hoodie. You know, you'll see your boy Cole Bennett wearing that a lot. It's a nice hoodie. These are just the little quarter zip ones. You got a green and pink with white. You got a white, blue, and brown, an orange and green, and then it looks like an all black one. Maybe that one will be tonal since it's just all black, or it'll just be all black. Fire. This one retails for $148. Heat. Next, we got the tiger stripe tracksuit. What am I on today? Top will retail for $188. Pants will retail for $138. I'm not feeling this. I would not wear any of this. The brown one is probably the one I would wear. The brown top is probably what I'd be likely to wear the most. Honestly, because you can't really see the stripes too much unless you get really close. But yeah, I'm not a fan of that. Let's move on from that. The corduroy baseball jersey, which in my opinion is probably the heatiest thing to drop in this week. This baseball jersey is heat. Like corduroy and like who thinks of a corduroy baseball? Who thinks of corduroy when you think of a baseball jersey? No one. This retails for $138. We got orange and red with the red letters. You got, it looks like green with the red letters, black with the blue letters, white, and maybe it would probably be tonal letters or some other color. And then we got the codeine purple and black, which is definitely the best colorway. And second, I would probably be the white. Even though, excuse me, dang. Ooh, even though I don't even know what the letters look like on the white one, the white one's definitely my second. Next up, we got basic multi-striped shirt. That retails for $98. These are prices a little steep. All right, you should, it's Supreme prices. Can't really dwell on it. It's Supreme. They do what they want, bruh. Thanks, Supreme. Yeah, this is an alright one. I don't know what this black one is. It looks like pink, green, and white stripes. And honestly, it's probably my favorite. My favorite one is probably the white one with the green and blue stripes. That's pretty basic. It's a heater though. It's definitely a heater. Some a little subtle. Not too many people know what it is unless they come up to you and see it, or they're just a hype beast like us. Next, we got the Dashes Knit Polo, retailing for $148. It looks, it's like a jacket, but like a polo. No, I don't really like this. Yeah, I don't really like this design. If anything, the black and white, keep it basic. That's my favorite one out of this. Y'all tell me if you guys like this at all. I'm not feeling that at all. Let's move on. Move on from that. The stacked Supreme logo top. Just like a bunch of Supreme word. This is the word Supreme a bunch of times on, I don't know, probably the right side of your body, whatever side. It's on the side of your body. It reminds me of what is their name? Dang. Chinatown Market. They make a design just like that. I'll probably throw that picture up somewhere. It's like on the convenience store bags where they write thank you and they like multiply it a bunch of times all up and down the bag. It's just like that. That's what I feel like when I see the white and red one. If anything, I don't like that. I don't like the design. Maybe if it was on the back. If it was on the back, ooh, whole nother game. It's just gonna be a heater, straight heat. All right. Next up, that one I said, I don't know if I said, but it retailed for $98. It retails. Next we got zip up work shirt, heat shirt. This one just reminds me of someone, one of the shirts the mechanics wear. It says a little Supreme right there where your name would be if you're a mechanic. Comes in a nice Gucci colorway. That one's probably gonna go first out of all of them. The next one is this. Next one, my favorite after that. It looks like, yeah, burgundy and pink heat color. Those are colors that just blend together so well. Like they just mix. They're just meant to be together. And this retails for $128. It's a heat shirt, you guys, let me know what you think about all these shirts down below. Try to know exactly what y'all think. Then we got this tartan flannel shirt retailing for $138. This is an expensive ass flannel shirt. My flannel shirt ain't cost nothing near that price, bro. Damn. This one was probably like $20. And that's still on the high side of flannel shirts. I do not recommend getting a Supreme flannel shirt. I don't. Just don't. Go to the thrift. Cop yourself some thrifted flannels. They're probably way better quality, thicker, keep you warm a lot better. I just don't recommend these. Next, we got world famous zip up. Looks like it just says world famous in the corner, right on the left or the right breast is this, or chesticle. Shout out to my man Jacob. These retail for $148. The colors are nice. It's just basically, honestly, like a regular zip up hoodie with regular zip up hoodie with the words world famous on the corner. Nothing too serious about that. Like, there's nothing really different about that, like, that you don't see too often. The lavender color is looking real nice in the pictures. Hopefully it looks that nice in real life. Next up, we got the Supreme X Vans next, with the skull powell design on it. So first up, we'll talk about the slip-ons. Slip-ons are dope. I never really been a fan of slip-ons till I seen Van slip-ons, like what you could do with those Jones. These Jones, they're heat. Like you can do so much with them. I have no pairs of them, but in the future you'll probably catch me wearing some Van slip-ons. These are definitely a heat, and they glow in the dark, so it's a must. Those are $98. The skate highs, heat. I love skate highs. I have my own pair, the regular black and white pair. Basic, they go with anything. They're definitely an essential shoe. Maybe I'll have to come out with an essentials video. Alright, hey, let me know if you guys want that. Comment down below if you guys want that kind of video. These retail for $110, and they have just have one piece or two pieces on the shoe where they have the skull design from the liquid blue. They glow in the dark. It's like you can't really get. It's just tough. Like there's nothing else I can say about that. They're tough. Moving on, we got hats. We got the repeat mesh 5-panel hat for $44, and the denim suede camp cap. Ugh. Wow, those are heat. The 5-panel mesh hat is going for $44. Those are basic mesh hats, nothing too different about them. They're basic. If anything, the suede hat is looking cute. They have this like kind of wash look. And they're denim, so yeah, it's like a wash denim look. The black one probably looks the best. And then next up, probably like the white and pink one. Like these summer colors, these joints are looking cute. Then we got a couple more hats. The bugle camp cap, the coated linen camp cap. Those both go for $54. I don't like any of them. But except for the linen coated one, looks just like the same material they used on this bag. Like that waterproof material. Like it shimmers in the light. Yeah, looks exactly the same. The linen one, don't really like that. The bugle camp one, don't really like the pattern on that. And then last up, we got the best part for me. The Supreme Wilson tennis balls. They're a definite cop for me, bro. Like $16. I'm gonna try to run up on two of them. We'll see what happens, but I'm definitely copping one of them. If I don't cop one of them, like, I'm not copping anything. That's all I want. These tennis balls are lit. I'll probably keep like one up here, or a couple up in the picture, so you guys can see them. Maybe I'll put a shelf in the back so y'all can see it. But it's definitely going in this setup or on my desk. We'll see what happens. But this has been, this is all for the drop list. Catch y'all in the next video. I'm really just about to go make my unboxing video from the week one drop, what I copped and everything. Y'all definitely gotta watch that video. Maybe I'll tell a little story, or maybe I'll make that a separate video. We'll see what I do. Yeah, that's it. Hey y'all. Oh yeah, comment down below. Make sure y'all subscribe. Like y'all watching the videos. It's getting better. We're getting more views. I'm trying to push the videos, but make sure y'all subscribe. Hit that like button. Comment down below. Tell me what videos y'all want to see, and that'll be it. Stay hype, beast.
Friends, I did that shit with my mans, and this shit a part of the plan. Yeah, I got the fans in Japan, kicking shit, no Jackie Chan.